It's thick, dark, sticky, and somehow ends up in everything from baked beans to gingerbread cookies. But what exactly is molasses? Most people know molasses as a sweet syrup, but very few know where it actually comes from, or why it looks and tastes so different from normal sugar. Molasses is created during the process of making sugar. It usually comes from sugarcane or sugar beets. First, the plants are crushed to extract their juice. That juice is then boiled, allowing sugar crystals to form. Once the sugar crystals are removed, a thick, dark liquid is left behind. That liquid is molasses. As the syrup is boiled repeatedly, it becomes darker, thicker, and less sweet. That's because more sugar is removed each time.
There are different types of molasses. Light molasses is sweeter and milder. Dark molasses is richer and stronger. And blackstrap molasses is the darkest and most intense of all. Blackstrap molasses comes from the final boiling stage. Most of the sugar has already been removed, leaving a stronger, slightly bitter flavor. Molasses adds sweetness, color, moisture, and a deep, rich flavor. That's why it's used in foods like gingerbread, barbecue sauce, brown bread, baked beans, and rum production.
Unlike refined white sugar, molasses still contains some minerals from the original plant, especially blackstrap molasses, which contains iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. In fact, many types of brown sugar are simply white sugar with molasses added back into it. That's what gives brown sugar its color and flavor. Molasses was once incredibly valuable in global trade. It played a major role in colonial economies, especially in rum production. So, molasses isn't some mysterious artificial syrup. It's a natural byproduct of sugar production, with its own unique flavor and history. What looked like just another sweet ingredient actually came from the process of making sugar itself. Now you know.